Today we are going to learn Chinese characters.
马
Watch my pronunciation.
马摸马马白马白马那是一匹白马，那是一匹白马。马上，马上，我马上出发，我马上出发。马年，马年，今年是中国马年，今年是中国马年。
Now let's see how to write this character. In ancient China, horses were indispensable for wars, postal delivery via post stations, and daily travel. So horses were widely used back then. The ancients admired fine horses and winged steeds, using them as a metaphor for talented, capable, and ambitious people. The last stroke should be short and steady to support the whole character. When writing this character, this stroke is completed in one continuous line. That's all for today's study. Bye.